Hello guys, and a very big welcome to Let's Talk Tech. My name is Lucas, and today I've got a very good budget action camera that you guys might be interested. But first, what we'll do the unboxing of this, and then I'll do a full review. Catch you in a second. Right then, let's get this baby open and see what Santa has brought us today. There we go. Now today's little bit of surprise is for the Surfola action camera SF530. Now let's see what's in this box. Okie dokie, right then, let's peel this baby open. There's one, should flop there, get the box around. Let's see what exactly is in this box of goodies. You firstly will get your camera along with the waterproof case. You will also get a lavalier microphone, so no need for worrying about getting decent audio with this camera. You get also a battery in the box, and if I can open it, yes, move that out of the way. Let's see what we have in here. Now you have one USB to a USB Type-C cable. You have your remote control. You also get a second battery. Okay, let's put that in there, and you also get lots of little bits and pieces that you will get in this little box as well, which will come in handy for whatever you wish to do. You also get your microphone dead cat, as I call them. You get another USB to just normal micro USB, and I think that one there is for the main camera, and the USB Type-C will be for the lavalier wireless microphone. You also get a handlebar mount. You will get a hard case, which you'll need this, and I'll tell you why later on when I do a main review why you will need this case. You get a battery charger, a dual battery charger, may I add, and you also get so much stuff that's in with all of this. There's another back door to the waterproof case, just in case, for whatever really. And what else have we got here? We still have quite a few bits and pieces. Obviously more fittings, as you can see. And you have a strap, which is for this, which will go around your wrist. This is for your controller. Right then, now that I've just spent 1,000 hours trying to get all of the contents back inside the box, which is a darn sight impossible task, I add, but I managed to do it, and believe it or not, I still forgot to put that in, but never mind. Now let's have a very quick look over the camera itself, and then in another piece of video I will do a proper review on it. Now the camera itself is very small, I will be honest. Now I'll not go into too much detail regarding this guy here, because I'll save that for the initial review. I just want you guys to see what this camera is actually like on the outside. I won't tell you what the build quality is like just at the moment, but just so that you guys can see the overall bits and pieces on the camera if you wish. Oh, that was hard to undo. Now also we'll have a quick scan at the lavalier wireless microphone. It's actually, I will say, it's very, very light, but quite well made, I will be honest with you. So there you go guys, I will save the best to later on for when I do a proper review on these guys here. So there you have it guys, that was a very, very quick unboxing for you guys on the Surfola SF530 action camera, and I will be doing a full review on this guy, and I'm going to put in a little bit of a spoiler. It's actually half okay. I'm not going to say too much, I'm going to let you guys watch the full review. You can tell me in the comments below, and until that time, thank you ever so much for watching my channel, and I'll catch you soon. Bye.